How to buy ton on ByBit. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about ByBit and how you're going to be buying ton on it. So for this, simply go over to your ByBit. And once we have launched our ByBit application, from here on out, what you're simply going to want to do is you're going to go over the search bar when it comes to the trading section, okay? And you can simply go over to the trading sections to trade in the ton, tokens however you want. So we're going to come up here on the search. We're going to search for ton and USDT. And once you do that, type in the quantity of ton you want. So let's say I want 20 ton, right? So 20 ton is going to go for around 75 USDT. So once you've reached the correct price and you can see their increase and decrease in pricing, simply go ahead, trade it for yourself, and that is how you're going to buy ton on BitGet or ByBit in the easiest way. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.